how to duplicate your pages or your post inside your WordPress website. Now let's look into pages first. Sometimes I really wonder why WordPress don't have this option for you to copy or duplicate. As you can see, you cannot duplicate here. You can only edit, view, or trash it. I'm not sure why. So what can you do so that you can copy it or duplicate it? So you need to get a special plugin. Let me go to the plugins and let me add new plugin. So I have the link to the plugin at the description box below. So just go ahead and click it if you want to download it immediately. So you just search for duplicate. Enter. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe right now. Thank you. Now you can see there is a few ways you can duplicate. You can use yours, but I personally prefer this duplicate page plugin. It's simple to use, and with that million active installation, you can assure that it's really good. So let's just install right now. Activate, and then you see it is activated. Okay, now you go back to your pages. You notice just now that you cannot duplicate it, but right now you see this option to duplicate this. Just one click and it is duplicated. Right? That is how easy you can duplicate your page with just installing that one simple plugin. The link is in the description box below. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.